Welcome back. Today it's me Beto G. I'm back today with Kinshasa trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe. When launching your FSZO, make sure you put your cursor like this. You right click on your FSZO and you just press open. But for me, I've already launched my FSZO. Before start producing the Kinshasa trap beat, I'm just going to get straight into my FSZO like this. And this is my channel rack. This is my playlist. This is my mixer. The next step is I'm going to click on add here, click on citrus. After that, I'll click on this plugin options, click on this preset. Then after clicking like that, I'm going to then pick this one called heaven, and this is how it sounds. Before I start making the Kinshasa trap beat, I've already selected everything. After that, I can open my cursor like this. Left click, only turn the mouse wheels to channel 5. Put my cursor like this, right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'll first of all program the first 2 bars, then copy right to bars number 8. As you can see, I've programmed the first 4 bar pattern. So I'm just going to make sure you press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, which I can see. Put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B again. Then I'm going to reduce this note to make sure it does not reach number 8 bar. That's it. That's it. That's it. So I'm going to arrange my number 8 bar. Good. Now this, and that's okay for the first melody. I'll click where my cursor is on my screen. This is my cursor on my screen. I'm going to click on my screen like this, and this is my channel rack. This is my channel rack. I'm going to click on add on my screen again, on add here. I'm going to pick this plugin called 3 times aux. I'll just pick it, and this is another plugin. For this Kinshasa trap beat, I'm going to be using this plugin again for my second melody. So I'll put my cursor like this, left click, turn the mouse switch and 6. Put my cursor like this, right click, then click on piano roll. And this is how it sounds. So I'll just continue like that. I'll just program my Kinshasa trap beat like this. Make sure you follow my steps. Very easy for you to produce your beat. That's it. This is my Kinshasa trap beat. After my 4 bars, I'll press Ctrl and A. And my favorite is left click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to reach bar number 8, and that's okay. For my Kinshasa trap beat, the next step, I'll start to program my hi-hat now. So I'm going to put my cursor like this on channel 3, right click on my piano on my mouse, then click on piano roll. Then I'll start to program my hi-hat now. That's it. That's it. And program this is my hi-hat. Make sure you follow the steps. Very easy. Right up to number 8 bars. I'm inside the number 8 bars, but I've not yet ended the number 8 bars. I'm still programming very easy, simple. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And after that, I'll press Ctrl and A, which you can just press Ctrl A, press Ctrl and B on your keyboard to extend it right to bars number 8, and that's okay. This is my screen, view channel rack. Now we are just arranging and playing the beat on this channel rack here. After that, we are going to transfer it to the playlist, here to arrange the space on intro, outro. When you want to play it on your playlist here, you switch to song mode before you play it here. If it's on this party mode, you are going to hear it. You are going to hear your beat but here. Meanwhile, if you switch to song mode here, you will hear it on this playlist. Meanwhile, you can then arrange your beat very easily before you save it. Now let's go back to the channel rack. This is our channel rack here. On channel 4, snare, I will right click on my mouse, click on piano roll or the Kinshasa trap beat. Now I'm arranging my snare. That's okay. I'm going to start. I will start programming my kick now. This is my kick. Make sure you always use this left side. Make sure you unlock this lock in here. If it's like this, make sure you always try to unlock it. If it's like this, make sure like that. This is it. All. Click on all like this. Make sure you switch to all. Try to use this side of the screen. Always make sure you use it. Know how to use it. Know that the instrument here, like kick. This is my favorite kick. I'll put my cursor on top of my kick like this. Left click and hold it. Hold the left click button. Drag your mouse and just leave it to channel 1. And the kick is inside your channel or your channel rack. You can then put your cursor like this on the channel 1. Right click on your mouse. Click on piano roll. Now, this is how I'm going to program my kick. Like that. For the Kinshasa trap beat, I'll program my kick like this. Like this. Like this. Good. After that, this is my channel rack here. I'll click here on channel 1. Click on view effect target. Then turn the Bose knob. This is the Bose button. I'll just turn it to 59% and that's okay. Now, let's go to our mixer. This is our mixer here. 5 and 6 is our melody. The first one is the first melody that we pick from Citrus. The other one is the 3-time aux. We are going to bring it down. Then we are going to mix it first. On slot 1, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a filter parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I will add a fruity limiter. On slot 3, I will add a fruity soft clipper. On slot 4, I'm going to add a fruity multiband compressor. That's okay. These are the basic plugin you can use to mix your beat. You can use it effectively. It's not even basic. You can use the plugin I'm showing you effectively. Now the last beat, you click on slot 1, add a fruity soft clipper. That's okay. 3 and 4 is a hi-hat and snare. I'm going to bring up my hi-hat, slot 1, add the fruity limiter. On my snare, I'm going to turn it up, slot 1. I'm going to click here, add the fruity soft clipper. Just bring it down a little bit. That's good. Or on our kick, we are going to turn it up like that. Good. Then swap left and right like this. View, swap left and right. Swap left and right like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Reverse the polarities by just clicking where my cursor is on the screen. If you see my cursor on the screen display, just click. Make sure you follow the step. When you put your cursor on top of it, they'll say reverse the polarities. I'll just click. That's okay. View playlist. I'll click like this. Where I've written part 1 on the screen, I'll put my cursor on top of my part 1. Right click. Then click speak by channel. But first, you first of all be on top of the party mode. Now, when putting it on your playlist here, use these tools: draw, paint, delete, mute, slip, slice, select, zoom, and playback. So always make sure when you click, before clicking like this and clicking back my playlist, make sure you click first on your draw, then click back on your kick and click into your playlist. Click on your hi-hat, click into your playlist, click on your snare, click back on your playlist, click on your first melody, click into your playlist, click on your last melody, click into your playlist. After that, always make sure you come and click here again on select, which you can then highlight it to the left, which you can then put your cursor like this, left click and hold it, highlight it to the left. But another way, you can still press Ctrl and A on your screen to highlight it like this, the same way. Then press Ctrl and B. That is the CTRL button, is a control. You can just press the CTRL button, which is a control button, then press Ctrl and B like that. That's it. That's it. Good. After that, I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. I'm going to press Ctrl and A again. Ctrl A, Ctrl and B. I'm extending my beat now. My Kinshasa trap beat. I'll come here. When you want to click here, make sure you always come and click on draw. Click on your heavy beat. Click back. Make sure it align. There should be no space. I'll click here on my last melody. Click back. This is my outro. I'll remove the hi-hat, remove the snare, and that's okay. Go back to our mixer. 3 and 4. I will right click, then click create automation clip. 4. I will right click on my mouse, then click on create automation clip. That's okay for today for our Kinshasa trap beat. Let's listen to the Kinshasa trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Kinshasa trap beat. See you tomorrow in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.